All right, so it's been right about 30 days, and your first monthly lead success report is being generated in the process of being created. And so you'll be getting that in a couple of days if you haven't gotten it already. And I wanted to point out a couple of things before you get it or as you get it, and encourage us to have a conversation about it because it's going to help you drive more business. And so let's talk about that really quickly, how that's going to happen. So there's a few things I want you to pay attention to is that there's going to be a column here with converted clicks inside of the funnel basically of this report, and you'll see as an example here it shows 95 conversions, up 126%. That's good to know, those kinds of numbers, and how things are doing, whether they're the same or if they increased a lot or have they decreased a lot. Obviously you'd be very happy with this number. And then there's things like word clouds. This is a word cloud for pest control, but just to serve as an example, you can see some keywords are actually performing better, whereas some keywords might be pretty good. For example, bee's nest is better than bees removal or bee removal because it's a little bit bigger. If you notice, there is a lot of bee type services on this pest control word cloud, and so as we go month to month, we're actually going to be having conversations about these word clouds and the conversions that you're actually getting, the call recordings, and where these phone calls are coming from. So again, an example campaign from just a test. Where you can see where most of the phone calls, most of the leads have come from specific keywords that were the biggest keywords in that word cloud that we just saw. And so this is going to allow us to have a very intelligent conversation on where you want to target, where your highest profit margin services and products are, so that we can continue to increase your revenues and increase your lead conversions day in and day out. So reach out to us and we'll have that conversation as soon as you get your report in.